Di mo alam kung gaano ako nasasaktan kapag nilalait ako ng pamilya mo at tumatahimik ka lang. Di mo alam kung gaano ako nasasaktan kapag kasama mo yung mga kaopisina mo at lalapit ako. Yung umiiwas ka at makikipagkita sa akin ng patagulang. Alam ko namang di ako maayos manamit. Di kasing kisig pumorma ng mga pinsan mo at kaibigan mo. Jologs nga. Kung sasabihin ko yung term na ginagamit nila para i-describe ako. Pero yung ikahiya ako ng taong pinangangalandakan ko, doon, durog na durog ako. Tahimik lang ako eh. Kaya ako na yung umiintindi. Ako na yung lumalayo. Pero sana kung ayaw mo sa akin, kung gusto mo kong baguhin, pakawalan mo na lang ako. Huwag mo na akong habulin. Hindi yung tatahimik ka at yuyuko sa tuwing nasa public place tayo. Kulang na lang, pandirihan at layuan mo na ako. Kung mahal mo talaga ako, sana maging proud ka sa akin. Huwag kang tumahimik. Ipangalandakan mo din ako, gaya ng pagiging proud ko sa'yo. My love, may mga relationship na kung tawagin nila ay private. Those relationship that doesn't want the noise of the outside world, the noise of other people that doesn't really matter, or the public view to taint their relationship. Ayaw nilang maapektuhan in any way yung relasyon nilang dalawa. By things, by people, by opinions na hindi naman dapat nag-akaroon ng ambag sa relationship nila. That type of a relationship is what we call private relationship. Nakatago, pero hindi itinatago. And there are those na tinatawag na secret relationship. Ito yung mga relationship na ayaw mo talagang makita ng kahit sino. Yung wala talaga halos nakakaalam. Hindi nyo mapakilala sa pamilya ng isa't isa, or hindi nyo maamin sa mga kaibigan yung nag-e-exist. There are relationships like this. Known to public, known to people, especially those that matters to you. But unfortunately, the other one is trying to deny it to the point na parang tinatago niya na. Ayaw niya na lang ipaalam na yes, may jowa ako, pero ito siya. Pero hindi niyo siya makakasama, hindi niyo siya makikita. I know na may mga tao kasi talaga na meron silang preference when it comes to people. When it comes to the person they are attracted to. And maybe at first, attracted sila sa certain quality ng tao. But then again, they went out to a bigger world. Tapos sa mundong yon nakakita sila ng higit. Na parang, sa lugar namin ito na yung gwapo eh. Dito pala iba yung definisyon ng gwapo, iba yung definisyon ng maporma, iba pala yung definisyon ng hot. Parang ibang-iba to sa jowa ko. And then, ayaw mong aminin sa sarili mo that you are that petty. Na you are actually attracted to people na ganun mag-ayos, ganun manamit. And because this relationship is so familiar to you and this person is so kind to you, it's so hard for you to break this person's heart. Kaya what you do, you try na lang to divide the world you live in. Na kapag kasama mo siya, hindi niya mararamdaman na wala ka ng pagmamahal sa kanya. Pero sa kabilang mundo, you live a different life. And you don't want those two types of lives na meron ka to interact. Kasi whenever na nagbabangga, lumalabas yung realidad. That you are in love with the idea of relationship. But you are no longer attracted to the person you are in a relationship with. Parang kung iisipin mo, ang komplikado naman nun, mahal, hindi. Hindi siya komplikado. May mga tao lang talaga na gusto nila yung companionship. They want that person to stay. They want that person to keep on taking care of them kasi they feel special, they feel valued, they feel treasured. But there are a lot of things they want to change in that person to make them ideal, to make them perfect. Some would say na ang selfish naman nun. Gusto niya all the good things in life, in a partner, meron yung partner niya. At gusto niyang i-tailor fit yung partner niya to the ideal partner na meron siya in her mind. People like that do exist. Kasi unfortunately, may mga taong nagninitpicking lang ng gusto nilang magustuhan at gusto nilang nag-e-exist sa personality ng partner nila. Not knowing na when you say true love, na kapag sinabi mong totoong pagmamahal, hindi ka pwedeng mamili kung ano lang yung trait na gusto mong nag-e-exist sa kanya. Kung ano lang yung trait na gusto mong present sa kanya. Kung ano lang yung trait na dapat nakikita sa kanya. Michael, I'm so sorry that you are with a person na selfish. That you are with a person that cannot be proud of you for exactly who you are. Though I know naman na kahit ganyan yung sabihin na natin, kung yun lang naman talaga issue sa'yo, yung pananamit mo lang, that can easily be changed sa totoo lang. But if you don't want to change because you think that is your style, that is who you are, then my love, I think this person is not for you. I think this person wants to be with someone na attracted siya to both at the same time. In love siya sa personality with. Nakuha mo yung second part. Pero hindi mo nakukuha yung first. And you cannot stay in love or in a relationship with a person like that. Kapag nagmahal ka, my love, tandaan mo. Kasi I don't know if it's just me. Pero when I love a person with 100%. I don't know if it can be measured kung nasusukat ba talaga siya, but I love the person with everything I got. Kapag natalo, talo talaga. Kasi all in ako magmahal. Kasi I treat each and every relationship that I have that's na ang thinking ko, ang thought process ko ay as if it's my last. Kasi that's the exact kind of love that I want to receive from the person I am in a relationship with. So saktong-sakto sa akin yung kanta na all or nothing. Because I want it all or nothing at all. I don't want you to love me half-heartedly. I don't want you to love just a part of me. I want you to love the entire me. Because when I say I love you, I love the whole you. The good and the bad. The happy and the sad. The light and the dark. Yun yung klase ng pagmamahal na kaya kong ibigay. So that's the exact same love that I want to receive. And for you, Michael, that's the exact same love that I want you to receive from a person. Not with someone or not from someone na pipiliin lang yung attributes mo, yung characteristics mo na makikita niyang mag-fit sa idea niya ng relationship. Talk to her one last time, Michael. Now, are you ashamed of me? I want to change. I want to be the man that you need. I want to be the man that you love. I want to be the man that you'll be proud of. But there are certain things in me I cannot change. Siguro in time, mag-upgrade ako ng fashion sense. Siguro in time may makikita akong fashion that would highly speak about my personality. But as of the moment, this is where I'm comfortable with. Siguro, sa tawag ng pagkakataon at panahon, I can change my clothes. Kung gusto mo, kapag kasama yung pamilya mo, I go a bit formal or I go smart casual, kaya naman. Kasi may mga requirements naman sa clothes sa mga lugar eh. I can do that. But what I cannot do is the look in your face. Kapag nakikita kita at nasa public tayo, kapag nakikita kita, nakasama mo yung mga kaibigan mo at paparating na ako. Kapag nakikita kita, whenever nilalait ako ng pamilya mo, that breaks my heart. Now, if you cannot be proud of me, if you cannot love me, sa worst ko sa paningin mo, and this is my worst, kasi ito yung inaayawan mo eh, ito yung parang diring-diri ka with eh, then you can't have me at my best. Kasi the clothes, I can change. Madali lang yan baguhin. Maski ikaw, kaya kong palitan yung wardrobe mo ngayon. But the pain that you caused me whenever I wear clothes that you don't approve of, yung shame, yung hiya na nakikita ko sa mukha mo, and the pain that caused me whenever nakikita ko yung hiya na yun dahil nahihiya ka of me, that I cannot change. Naintindihan mo ko, Michael? Bigyan mo ng ultimatum yung jowa mo. That if she cannot change the way she loves you, then you'll have to call it quits. Kung ano yung nakikita niyang reason as to why she is making you stay, maybe the way you love her, maybe someone deserves that better than her. Naintindihan mo ako, my love? Uulitin ko sa'yo. Kapag humanap ka ng partner, kapag tumanggap ka ng partner in life, make sure that that partner of yours can give the same amount of love, yung intensity ng pagmamahal na kaya mong i-offer in the table. All or nothing, kumbaga. If hindi niya kaya ibigay yon, then maybe someone deserves you better than her. Klaro? Klaro.